Hi guys, and in today's video we're gonna be playing I Am Bird. Since y'all really liked when I was playing it, thank you for the 300 views on that video. I really appreciate it, and I'm almost at the goal of 1,000 views. Thanks for the support, guys, and I can't wait to get to 1,000 views when it does happen, or if it does happen. I'm not sure, but I'm just so happy. So let's be done talking and get into the game. So I feel like we should try the
30 seconds to the mirrors.
I feel like this video should be like just us like doing a mission and then just causing ultimate chaos and trying to get 1 to 5 stars. Like, yeah, we should do that. And I'm gonna after maybe 2 videos, I'm gonna see what's this? Piece? Yeah, piece is pretty cool. Oh my! I'm gonna see if I could start. I'm gonna see if I can start editing because I really need to learn how to start editing. Okay, guys, we have to find the keys. I think it tells us where the keys are. Yeah, it does. Let's go. A fun thing about this game is that you don't really have to do this. You can just do that. So. I don't even know why they added flapping in the game if you don't even need to flap. Oh, the keys is right there. That's a cool feature, you know? How am I in trouble for this? How am I in trouble? What the heck? What is this?
Eyeball. Heads up, Pete.
Oh, I got 5 stars. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, sir. Oh my gosh, the mirror's dead. Gosh. Okay, viewers. Sorry, I don't know that would get so mad at me. I gotta go, viewers. Come on, let's go. I mean, cool kids. I'm sorry. Yeah, I really need to start learning to call y'all cool kids again. Thompson, huh? Not yet. We're not covering ultimate chaos. I wish. It's a weird thing that I'm not even on this part and even oh wait, that's the listic. Okay, let's get back to our mission. Cause they what? That's sorry about that, viewers. It's my it's just my drifting viewers. Yeah. Who's gonna make it? Let's go. I think I do I get 1 star? Which bird can I help? Which bird I can help? No, that's not nice. Why are you so mean? You don't have to do that. How? Just how? Having something. And I get what? I get 1 star for everything. I feel like they should rework the star system and make it so you need, unless a cop sees you do something bad, or someone calls the police on you doing something bad, that's when it should give you, because you tap someone just like that, instant star. If you tap one of those drones just like that, instant stars.
Search ends here.
Where is the dude weavers? I don't like that. My house is right there. Here's the other things I need to save. Viewers, I found them. Oh, we did it. Viewers, we did it. Let's go. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think I wouldn't do this as superhero. Hero. House fire. Help put it out. Extinguish the fires. Got it. Yeah.
Order. Gather at the central square shortly. The mayor's speech will
I've
be
been
thrilling.
there before. I think this game actually gets updated. Oh, I like this water. That water is kind of realistic. It's like a noodle, if you think about it.
Directive. T-30. Proceed to the central square. Excuses.
There's no one here. There's no one here. I shouldn't. Oh, there's John. There's. I risk everything in this game to help my friends out. You're welcome. You're welcome. Wait, do I get something cool that like actually make the goal? Now time for 2 minutes of chaos. Let's see how long I can survive.
He's Burrow. Leave it.
Go, 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 go. Oh wait, that looks like a movie actor. No. Dang. Well, doesn't it take like a full explosion? Explosive device or a bazooka? Wait, that is an actor. That looks like an actor.
He just took a surprise
Maybe
nap.
that's something one of the actors would wear.
Pete, do your thing.
No.
This one's for my truck.
No, this is-
This way.
Bert said that.
Not safe. Stop filming and move. Did that bird just
me
shoot?
to kill a bird. You know what? No. I'm gonna go downstairs and make my kids. No, oh yeah, because I kind of killed them. He's gotta die. Wait, I think that's the last of them. Oh, I should be good now. Where did you come from? No. That's not good. That's red. Can't help you yet. I'm being attacked. What? This whole tank. No, like, what is happening right now? What was that? Okay, viewers, that's the end of today's video, but that was crazy. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.